Senior Congress leaders have sought an appointment with Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray to discuss their grievance over the MBA government's decision on Friday to scrap the vaccines set aside to accommodate reservation in provisions. India is perhaps facing the biggest humanitarian challenge after the independence because of the coronavirus pandemic, and the Indian Navy will collectively rise to confront the adversity facing the nation, Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh said on Wednesday. Dozens of Japanese towns have abandoned plans to accept overseas athletes competing in the Olympics from July due to concern about inadequate resources amid the fourth wave of coronavirus infections, the Nikkei newspaper reported on Thursday. India has protested against rampant price gouging of COVID material by Chinese supplier, with the Consul General in Hong Kong, Priyanka Chauhan, is an unusual comment telling the South China Morning Post that New Delhi expects China to keep a handle on price of products bought to battle the current COVID-19 surge. Civic officials on Wednesday said over 111 patients of the invasive fungal infection called mucormycosis are undergoing treatment at 4 medical colleges alone. The BMC on Wednesday floated a global expression of interest to buy 50 lakh vaccines in a bid to speed up its inoculation drive. The Supreme Court on Wednesday turned down social activist Gautam Navlakha's plea for grant of default bail in the alleged Algar Parishad Moise killing case, even as it battled for embarrassing the international practice of putting accused under hours arrest and reserving an suitable case as means to decongest prisons. Fuel prices have gone up by more than Rs 20 since May 2020, even though the base cost of petrol and diesel have risen by only Rs 3 to 4 rupees litre during this time. At last year's sharp tax high hardened the pinch of the current oil price rally. Citing the inroads made by COVID into UP villages untouched by the first wave, to Allahabad High Court has observed that the Election Commission, higher courts and the governments failed to fathom the disastrous consequence of permitting elections in a few states and panchayat polls in UP amid the pandemic. Radhe You're Most Wanted by starring Salman Khan, Disha Patni, Randeep Hooda and Jackie Shroff, and directed by Prabhu Deva, was supposed to have a major theatrical release. However, with the ongoing pandemic and theatre being shut down, the film is being released in the pay-per-view digital format along with a theatrical release in 40 other countries.